Welcome to this CSU Libraries tutorial. Well, we will show you how you can place a GIL Express request. There are times when you're conducting research for a project or for a paper that you may have need of a book that the CSU Libraries may not own. There is a service called GIL Express whereby you can request books, print books only, from other colleges and universities in the state of Georgia. And we're going to provide an example to show you how you would do that. Before you begin your search, and if you think you're going to need to utilize the GIL Express service, always log into your account. Go ahead and do that first. You can log in as a student, faculty, or staff member. And the same credentials you're going to use are the ones you use for My CSU and Cougar View. So once you do that, it's going to take you back to the GIL Find Catalog homepage. And as you'll see, you're in your account here. To begin, there are two different catalogs you have access to simultaneously here on the GIL Find Catalog page. If you only want to search what the CSU libraries have, then you could choose this catalog and you can only search what's the CSU libraries owns. And sometimes this is very helpful if you just want to see what you have available to you right here, right now. But if you want to cast your research a little bit wider and you just want to get the best resources for the research needs that you have, you could choose the University System of Georgia. This includes not only the CSU libraries catalogs, but also catalogs from other universities and colleges in the state of Georgia. For example, you have access to collections from anywhere from Valdosta State University, Georgia State, University of Georgia, Gwinnett College, and so forth. All 32 institutions in the state of Georgia. So, if you'd like to start all of your searching with the University System of Georgia, that's fine too. If there's a book that you're looking for, and if the CSU libraries own it, we're going to show up in that list, and you can come to the library to check it out. But let's do a search. Let's see here. Let's say cyber terrorism. And we're searching all the university catalogs. Okay, and we've put up 96 items. Over here to the left, what you can do is you can modify your search. Choose books because, again, the GIL Express service is not for ebooks, it's only for print items, print books. So if we choose books, please be aware that even though we've chosen books, some ebooks will show up in this particular search, so you need to be careful about that. All right, so if we choose an item, let's say policing cyber hate, cyber threats, and cyber terrorism. We click that title. We can see different ways in which other universities may own it. Do we own it? Is it available at another university or college? So if we'll choose view it, and when you see this, this is letting you know, okay, CSU libraries, we do not own this title. But it's telling us here there are two institutions that do. So let's choose more. And we see the University of Georgia owns the title, and the University of North Georgia owns the title. So we can choose either institute that we want. But pay attention to the status. If it is available to be checked out and no one else has checked it out, it will say available. If it says something else, it may say not available. That means someone else has access to that particular title. We're going to choose University of North Georgia. And what you'll do is we'll wait for the record to populate here on the screen. And there it is. And it's telling us that it's a 28-day loan, which all GIL Express items are. The item is in place. If we want to place a GIL Express request, we'll choose this option here. Under the University of North Georgia name, we'll choose request. And this is where you're going to put in the request. You'll choose book, term of use, of course, 28 days, the institution, right here where it says pick up institution, pick up library. You don't have to really do anything with these at all because it'll know that it's coming from Columbus State University. Item not needed. If there's a time or date in which you don't need this request, you can put that there. But if not, you can go ahead and choose request. And in about 3 to 5 days, this item will arrive at the CSU libraries. We will send you an email where you can come by the library to pick up this item and check it out. Please be sure that you bring your CSU ID card because that's also your library card. Should you need help putting in a GIL Express request, simply you can call the Research Clinic desk at 706-507-8671, or you can get online and you can chat with us. We'll be online, you'll be online, and we can walk you through the process of putting in a GIL Express request.